If you've recently upgraded to Windows 11, you found that the End Task option is missing when you right click on app in the taskbar. Don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to enable the End Task option so you can easily close unresponsive applications. So let's dive right in. First, we need to open the registry editor. You can do this by clicking on Win plus R in your keyboard to open the Run dialog box, and then type regedit and hit enter. In the registry editor, navigate to the following path. First, add key current user, then go to software. Now after that, go to Microsoft. Now scroll down and find Windows. Then click on current version. Then go to Explorer. And lastly, find Advanced. If the Advanced key does not exist, you need to create it by right-clicking on Explorer and selecting New and naming it Advanced. Right-click on an empty space in right-hand pane of the Advanced key, hover over New and then select DWORD, that is 32-bit value. Name the new DWORD value as Extended Hover Time. Double-click on Extended Hover Time to modify its value. In the Value Data field, enter 1, then click OK. Close the registry editor and restart your computer to apply the changes. After restarting, then right-clicking on application in the taskbar that's not responding, you should now see the End Task option available. And there you have it, you successfully enabled the End Task option on Windows 11's taskbar. This makes it easier to close unresponsive apps and manage your task efficiently.